Trust isn't lost in one big moment, it dies in 1,000 small ones. One lie. One betrayal. One broken promise. And suddenly, you're questioning everything you believed in. But here's the truth, trust can be rebuilt, not by words, but by patterns. Let's talk about how. Why trust breaks. Trust isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. We trust people not because they never fail us, but because we can predict how they'll act. When that pattern breaks, the brain sees it as a threat. The amygdala, the fear center, lights up, and we switch from safe to alert. That's why even after an apology, you still feel uneasy. The mind remembers the inconsistency more than the excuse. First step, own the damage. Most people try to fix broken trust with words. But you can't talk your way out of something you behaved your way into. The first real step is taking responsibility, without conditions. No, I'm sorry, but no explanations to defend your ego. Just acknowledgement. I hurt you. I broke something valuable. And I understand why you don't trust me. That line rebuilds more than any long apology ever will. Second step, give space, then consistency. After damage, people want quick forgiveness. That's selfish. Trust doesn't regrow in intensity, it regrows in consistency. Small, predictable actions over time heal what words can't. Answer when you say you will. Show up when you promise to. When your behavior becomes reliable again, the brain slowly rewires from fear back to safety. Think of it like muscle memory, repetition rebuilds confidence. Third step, rebuild emotional safety. The goal isn't just trust me again. It's feel safe with me again. That means listening without getting defensive. Letting them express pain without rushing to fix it. Your job isn't to erase what happened, it's to prove that it won't happen the same way again. Emotional safety rebuilds where logic can't. Rebuilding trust isn't about convincing someone to forget. It's about showing them, slowly, quietly, that they can believe again. And sometimes, that process changes both people for the better. Because when you learn how to rebuild trust, you also learn how to never break it again. Share this with someone who needs it. Subscribe to Psych Lens and start seeing life through the lens of psychology.